Hey guys, welcome back to Weekenders on the Water. Today we are here at Honeymoon Harbor, just off of the coast of Bimini, Bahamas. And we are here to feed the stingrays and sharks. It's gonna be an amazing time, so make sure you stick around, check it out. Hit that subscribe button, and let's go. All right guys, and that ray tells you we have arrived. There it goes. All right guys, so like I said, we are here at Honeymoon Harbor. It is directly behind me. We brought our boat and our jet skis here from Miami a couple days ago, so go back and check out those videos where we made the crossing. It was amazing riding jet skis and a jet boat, 19-foot jet boat, in fact not a very big one, across the open ocean, 55 miles, insane. It was fun for about half of it, then we got into some trouble. Go back and check that video out because it's a good one. Anyways, we are here. This is the spot to come. Look at that water. I mean, it is crystal clear and turquoise, aquamarine, vibrant blue. I tell you, it does not come across on camera what my eyes are seeing in real life. Like, I can't even believe it. Did I die and go to heaven? I don't know. This place is insane.
I'm still alive.
Okay.
Try again.
Well, if this was heaven, you'd be there. Right? You gotta rack those points up when you get them, boy, guys. She said she's laying them down. I gotta pick them up. All right. Anyways, so this is the place to come if you want to have a good time when you're in the Bahamas, when you're in Bimini, because there are wild stingrays and also wild sharks. Now, they are nurse sharks, so not the scary kind. And basically, over the years, people have trained these animals, these stingrays and such, to you know, be somewhat friendly, right? So you can come over here, you can feed them. We actually brought our own shrimp this time. We got the big jumbo shrimps. We cut them in half, and we are ready to check these guys out, get in the water. It's gonna be fun, so let's go.
All right guys, like I said, we are here in the good old Bimini Bahamas. We are here out on Honeymoon Harbor, so this is where we're gonna find all of our stingray friends, and we're gonna hopefully be able to feed those guys. So we did bring some shrimp with us, so we're gonna go ahead and do that here in a second. But that being said, you guys kind of can see like the boat, it just looks like it's just floating on air, right? But no, that's water. That's the Bimini water. Beautiful. All right, so with the stingrays, what do you do when you see them? Or when you get in the water, you gotta do the stingray shuffle. You gotta kind of like scoot your feet across the bottom because they don't like being stepped on, and I don't blame them. I don't like being stepped on either, so make sure you do that. Number two is don't pick them up. Just let them be buddies doing buddy things. All right, and maybe we'll see some other things. I kind of can see where the water is breaking over the shoal. I don't know what you call that over there, so maybe we'll go walk over there and see what else we can see there too. Let's go. Now there's Craig. Say hi. Oh, over your head. Oh. I think Craig just hit his head. Poor Craig. Are you okay? Oh, you've had a conch.
There you go.
There you go.
It's dead too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's dead.
That's awesome. They cracked that conch. Oh, someone's on fire.
Oh shit.
That makes me burn diesel.
Oh wow, okay. So many things to see in the first 10 seconds of us being here. Good job, Craig. What did you just say?
So we are making some desktop photos today.
All right, so we'll put some of those in here.
This is, you know, this is exactly what I have on my desktop at work.
Yeah,
you know, this
work.
is what I daydream of, so
Yeah.
it helps relax me.
Yeah, okay.
Right?
Yeah, let's take a glorified golf cart and two glorified go-karts across the Atlantic Ocean to go to Bimini. That's real relaxing.
Where we are right now. I mean, the water is perfect. It's so
now
clear.
It's relaxing.
Check it. You can see the lighthouse from Cat Cave.
Yeah, I see all the way out there. But I wouldn't necessarily qualify as us getting here as the most relaxing way of getting here. But we're here. We made it. Good times. We'll go for a little walkie walk and see what we can see. See? Lewis and Craig are on that side of the boat doing Lewis and Craig things. It sounded naughtier than what I intended it to be. Not like that. But if you were like that, we love you. That's cool. That's cool. But they're not that way. Anyway, Lewis is over there trying to get some stuff with the GoPro. Craig is, I think, over there just trying to see some things with his eyeballs. And I'm out in armpit deep water. You know, that seems safe. So, yeah. I wonder what else we're gonna be able to see over here. I don't see a big fire. Well, no. So much for the desktop pictures. We're really excited to feed the stingrays though. We're gonna do that here in a little bit.
All right, so we're gonna go for a little swim, see what we can find. Alright guys, so here, this is all the jet skis that came over with us from the Bahamas Challenge. And it looks like these guys are feeding some of the rays and sharks over here. We're gonna go check it out. He tried to eat my camera. I didn't even see him.
So I'm in the water. That's a shark. That's a shark. I'm excited for it. He is massive. So cool though.
Alright guys, before the trip, we bought our own shrimp. Jumbo shrimps. We're gonna go see if we can feed some of these guys. Yeah, so we got our shrimp. We're gonna see if we can feed these things, so.
The tide has definitely picked up. Like the current has picked up, especially like in this little like cove area. And it's pretty quick.
I think once we start putting them in the water, they're gonna start swarming.
Yeah, well, let's put one in and see what happens. Here, buddy. Woo!
Snap so hard.
Woo! They're so fun. There's a little guy. Hi, bro. Have fun. And I think there's a shark gonna swim by me in a second. Okay, let's see this. Hey, bro. Oh, so cool. This is crazy. Like, we're just skating here, and these guys are just like bumping me. Okay, all right. Okay, here, y'all, stick this spigot, Greg. Greg, get some shrimp. Yeah, okay, yeah, goodbye, guys. Okay, Brady, here you go. Woo! That was so fun. Okay, well, oh, poor buddy. I hope you're okay. Well, you look like to be a big, strong boy. Well, buddy, I'm gonna call you. Okay. Healthy. There you go, buddy. Here you go. I know. Okay, all right. Okay, I get it. You mean business, and so do I. These guys are massive. Oh, look at the little guy.
Get away.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Just remember, you just get your feet. All right. I think we're done. Just hold it up, and then we'll let them disperse. We're gonna let them take a break. This is absolutely insane. There's sharks everywhere. We're gonna take a little break. They're not a little too fresh, so we're gonna come back in a few minutes when there's not so many of them. I love it. This is like so cool. Well, highly recommend bringing some Costco shrimp. Cut them in half, and there you go. You'll make all the friends, people and aquatic varieties. There you go.
Christine is living her life, living her best life out there. This is wild.
No, I don't.
All right. It's too close.
Good one now, dude.
Oh, look at the little guy.
Get away.
Watch out. Remember, you just get your feet.
All right.
I think we're done. Just hold it up.
Yeah, I think we need to take a break.
Creating feeding frenzy over here.
Come on.
Right back there. Here he comes.
There you go. Woo! Yeah, you're a fast boy. These guys? Yeah. He's so tiny. I know. I don't have any more shrimps for you, bro. I'm sorry. You're a sea. What is it? You're a nurse shark friend. Eat them all. Please.
The other three were back instantly.
Yeah. She got a whole school of sharks over there.
If you want to feed the stingray, I can tell you how to do that.
Oh, that's a. Actually, it's a lemon shark. I wouldn't want to feed that thing. Yeah, it's not the one you want to feed. Put my camera down there too. You can have as many of those as you want to.
Bye, buddies. Bye. These guys are enjoying themselves.
Alright guys, so we had a fantastic day here at Honeymoon Island. This is definitely the place where you want to come if you're in Bimini and you got your own jet ski or your own boat or whatever. It's so much fun. It's amazing. The beaches are beautiful. The animals, the sharks, the stingrays, so much fun. Bring your own shrimp or squid or whatever. Keep your fingers tucked in for sure, you know, and don't put your fingers back in the water after that because your finger kind of looks like a shrimp. It's going to smell like a shrimp. Don't let them think it's a shrimp. But had a fantastic time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to follow along with all the rest of the Bimini content, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next weekend.
Bye.
All right, guys, so we had a fantastic day here at Honeymoon Island. And we are here to feed the steamer. Oh, I put the whole bag in the water.
Oh. It's on fire. There's a loose butt.